If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to regain full access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Safety and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Safety or Privacy section in the Settings menu. This area contains options related to your account as security and restrictions. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Look for an option related to automatic restrictions or account limits. Toggle off any settings that enable automatic restrictions on your account. Step 5. Save changes and restart the app. After adjusting the settings, make sure to save your changes. Close the app completely and then reopen it to ensure that the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Lyft account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for further assistance.